Today we want to talk about the other thing for to build a good application, Android application. Today we find for you how to change the icon which put in any application to change it from application picture icon picture to other icon picture. Yes, we want to flow this, it's behind me. We decompiled and to be sure about the file which we need. Okay, recession, and we look after trouble, which mean trouble which include about picture photo. Look, yes, we want to look after exactly icon. Icon, some application need find one, but other application we need more than one, maybe two, maybe three. If we need find one only, okay, that's enough. But if we find more, we ought to change all of which we find about the title, about the icon. Look, we need to edit picture like here to change route. We can change through this program, and you can say it. Not exactly you need, but any edit picture, any to change. Look, we find or look after the file which the icon picture in. Look, and we look after it. The trouble, we found it. Okay, and we look after the pictures which we need. Okay, now we found the icon exactly, but remember this application, yes, we found one, not more. Yes, we want to look after which icon we need from our computer. Yes, which we decide the exactly picture or photo, no problem. Just sort of icon. Look, we find and choose. Now look, how can we complete to let the old picture behind exactly and put our new icon picture on it. Okay, now we will save it, right? It's okay, save. Then the save is good. Look how change there in the file who include dress mean resource. Okay, look, we want to change it, and to be sure that the icon, yes, change or not. Okay, we close the first, then we go back to the compiled, okay, for to changing from compiling Apk, okay, file. That's it. When we let the compiled complete signing Apk file, that means it's ready. Okay, this okay, successful. Okay, that might mean it's successful do or done.